everyone, and welcome to this thimble bell tutorial. Today I'm going to show y'all how to do a Tunisian full stitch. This is a really neat little stitch. To me it kind of reminds me of a type of basket weaving, and it's really simple too, so I hope y'all really enjoy the pattern. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. To start, we need to make a foundation chain, and you can do any number of chains that you want for this stitch pattern. So I'm going to do 10 chains for this tutorial. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we got to put a whole bunch of loops on our hook. To do that, we're going to go to the second chain from our hook, and remember, we never count the one on our hook. So 1, 2, right there we're going to insert our hook, grab the yarn and pull it through, and that'll put a loop on our hook. So now we have 2, and we're going to do this in all of our chains, so we should end up with 10 loops, just like how we started. So here is number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and we'll keep pulling through 2 loops until we reach the end of the row. So yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, over 2, over 2, and over 2. This creates a bunch of vertical stitches, and that's what we need to be able to do the full stitch. So what we want to do is go to the space in between the first 2 vertical stitches, and we're going to insert our hook into that space, grab the yarn and pull it through. And we'll keep doing that until we reach the end of the row. So go in between the next 2 stitches, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and when we get to the end, instead of going in between, we're just going to go into the last vertical stitch like we normally would, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Never hurts to double check. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then just like before, yarn over and pull through 2, and just keep pulling through 2. Yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, and over 2. Now for this row, what we're going to do is skip this first set and go to the next and insert our hook there, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then just keep going through all the others just like we did on the other rows. So in between the next 2 sets, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then for the last one, just like before, into that last little stitch there, the last vertical stitch, we'll do 1, and that'll give us 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through 1, and then 2 for the rest of them. So yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, over, 2, and over 2. And that's all there is to it. The reason we did it that way is so the vertical stitches would be offset, so you get that uneven look, that little basket pattern. So anyway, just keep repeating rows 2 through 5 until you reach your desired height. And when you get done, if you want to give it a finishing touch, we'll just do a slip stitch across the top. So insert your hook underneath the second vertical stitch, because we never count the first one. Grab the yarn and pull it through both loops. And then keep doing that into all the other vertical stitches, and you'll end up with 9 slip stitches. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that's all it is to it. Cute little pattern. And when you keep going, you'll end up with a really cool pattern just like this. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial, and if so, please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and patterns. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.